Hi, this is Lee with RestorationChick.com. I just wanted to do a quick video to show some of the rustic wood farmhouse trays that I'm launching on my website. I put them together a little bit before my wedding, which was in August. This is 2020, so I just really haven't had any time. So now I'm about to put them on my website. I finished staining them. I finished putting the like polyacrylic on it. I added some different embellishments, and so they're going to be on my site. I am going to be shipping them nationwide, so it's not just, you know, for people who live locally in Sacramento, California. Okay, so I wanted to show the first one, and this one is a it's stained in a gray. I think it's called weathered gray. I can't remember, but it's by Varathane. And you can still see, like, I put one coat of the stain on, and as you can see, I still made sure you can see the knots through it. You can see the natural wood grain through these. It's very sturdy. I added these drawer pulls. I bought these and added these drawer pulls on them. They're painted silver. They came in like an antique brass look, but for this one I wanted it to match this, so I painted it silver. See if you can see that. And I also put this welcome on it. It's metal. The camera may be switching how the welcome looks on it, I'm not sure. But it's metal. I painted this silver so it can match, kind of give it the same type of theme. So the description and the width is going to be on my website when I put these up. So right now it's the 8th of September, sometime 1, 2 o'clock, I'm not sure. But they'll be up on my site later on today, so depending on when you see this video, or even if I still have them. Yeah, but I'll be adding more once I sell out of these. I'll make some more. So I just wanted to show this one. Okay. And here is another one. I made this a little bit more plain. So if you want to add, you know, put this, you know, on your, you can put it on your dresser, you can put these on your coffee table, on your ottoman, you can put them on, sometimes people like to style their bed and put the trays on there, so if you have that type of theme in your room where it's like a rustic type of look, you can add this to it. Also you can put them in your bathroom. Like, this is a cool natural wood looking color. This is stained in dark walnut by Varathane, and with this one you can put in your bathroom. It'll look really cute, like you roll up some little towels, kind of give it like the little spa look, and you know, put your different accoutrements on there, or you can just leave it basic and put your plants on there. You know, it's stained and it's also sealed with polyacrylic or polyurethane. Alright, the next one. This is my favorite one. Even my husband's like, wow, I just love how that one came out. It's so natural. This one says thankful. I really, really love this one. Also wanted to make note that since I had to screw these in from the bottom, I added these, like, you can find these sometime like in the dollar store or Walmart to, you know, put at the bottom of your furniture to protect your floors. Well, this one, I added some on there where the screws are, so that way if you're putting it on something, you don't scratch your surface. And yeah, and only thing that says is love. I spray painted a stencil on here that says love. I'm not sure if you can really see that. And yeah, this is really my favorite one. I don't know if you can really see, but my ring light is right there. You can kind of see how shiny it is. It's so pretty. I didn't stain this at all. I just left it its own natural wood. This wood is common board wood that I get at Home Depot. Um, and I purchased these knobs. It wasn't from Home Depot, but I purchased these knobs. They look like tree branches, so I'm not sure if you can see it. It was the same thing with the previous tray I just showed. These look like tree branches. I thought this would be really cute because it's like rustic farmhouse, because you know the tree branches is nature, it's on the wood. I love that it says thankful because that's what I am. I'm very thankful. I like anything that says something positive, like the welcome one you could add, you know, to your foyer or whatever. And this one you can just put, you can decorate it however you like, put it in any space that you want to. I just really love this one, especially because it says thankful. So I painted this black. It's metal. I added it to the tray, and I thought that it would give it a really nice touch. And this is how it looks. It's very sturdy. It looks nice. This looks nice if you just sit it up. I have some pictures where I styled this on my website and on my Instagram page at restoration_chick. Like I said, you can find this on my website at excuse me, restorationchick.com. This is very smooth. Even where it says thankful, I mean, it's raised a little bit because it's metal and I attached it to this. But as you can see, it's not raised that much. I don't think you can. It's very flat. It's very flat. I mean, you can kind of, if you hear that, you can kind of tell that, you know, it's raised. But I really like this one. Wow, I really like this. I'm almost going to keep this one, but I can build more because that's what I do. So, all right, let's get into the last one. So this is the last one that I have. This is stained in golden oak, and that's also another Varathane stain. This one is just real basic. It's not like a whole lot to say about this. You can see like the little shine that it has on there. I think that was really nice. I did that. I put the stain, and then I put the polyacrylic on it. I added these knobs, as you see. These are more of the antique brass look. Metal pulls. I keep saying knobs, but metal pulls. Very sturdy. I just need to add the foot pads on this one and another one. But this is how it looks. So these are what I added to my site. I wanted to do something simple, something quick. It's not like these are really like original designs or, you know, anything that's not already out there, something you probably can put together. But I just wanted to add something to my site because my niche is in this particular, on this particular website, restorationchick.com, is rustic farmhouse furniture. So I wanted to add something to the site that symbolizes that, and I wanted to be able to share my creativity with people nationwide, because my furniture that I build is for people who are local or close to Sacramento. I have clients in the Bay Area, I have clients in Stockton, Modesto, I've had South Lake Tahoe, so just the surrounding areas. But with my trays and the other things that I'm going to be launching on my website, these are things that I can ship. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment, depending on what platform this is on, because I'm posting this on YouTube. My Facebook is Restoration Chick. My website is restorationchick.com. I also launched a blog on my website on restorationchick.com. Under blog, as of today, I only have one blog post on there. I'll be blogging more. I'm just a really busy woman, and I'm very thankful that I'm a busy woman. I want to thank everyone who's made a purchase from my site and supporting my small business, and I hope everyone is staying safe, and I just hope that everybody is having a very prosperous and blessed life, and basically you make life what you make it. So if you're going through something, you know, we're all going through things, but you know, you have to make the best of all your situations. So anyway, that's enough about that. And like I said, just contact me. I hope everyone has a blessed and prosperous day. Thank you so much. And don't forget to share this content with anyone in your Facebook groups or people in your Facebook groups who are into things like this or DIY projects. I am selling these on my website. Everything will be in the description on my website. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.